Good morning, children. Welcome to all. Today I am going to teach about the topic the globe, latitudes and longitudes. Now we will first start with basic concept of latitudes and longitudes. What is meant by latitudes? Latitudes are imaginary line used to locate the place and surface of the earth. Latitudes are draw the parallel to the equator. They mark the degree 0 degree equator. The equator is the most importance of latitudes. What do you mean by longitudes? Longitudes are imaginary lines that draw from North Pole to South Pole. Longitudes are also known as prime meridian. The 0 degree meridian is also known as prime meridian. Prime meridian marks the distance of place east or west of the prime meridian. Let us discuss about globe. What is a globe? Globe is a true model of the earth. It shows the earth in its actual shape with all continents, ocean, etc. marked at the proper place. What is a axis? A needle is fixed through the globe in a tilted manner, which is called its axis. The imaginary line passing through the center of the earth and joining two poles, North Pole and South Pole. The globe can be moved around this needle from west to east, just as the earth moves, but the real earth has no such needle. It moves around its axis, which is an imaginary line. The earth is spinning axis is called axis. Equator is an imaginary line drawn around the earth is called equator. The equator divides the earth into two equal parts. The one is the northern hemisphere and another one is southern hemisphere. The most north part of the earth is called North Pole. Another one is southernmost part of the earth is called South Pole. The earth rotates on its own axis. An imaginary line connects the North Pole and South Pole. Latitudes. Latitudes lines are imaginary lines that run the horizontal around the globe. They measure north or south of the equator, 0 degree at the equators and 90 degree north and 90 degree south pole. The place located north of the equator have north latitudes and south of the equator have south latitudes. The parallels are divided to equal part. One is northern parallels, another one is southern parallels. See, northern parallels means all parallels north of the equator are called north parallels. Southern parallels means all parallels south of the equator is called south parallels. Important parallels of latitude. Central line is equator 0 degree. See, North Pole is 90 degree north and South Pole is 90 degree south. What are the four important parallels of latitude? The first one is Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. These are the four important parallels of latitude. See, the Tropic of Cancer 23.5 north and Arctic Circle 66.5 north. Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, these are northern hemisphere. Next one, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle, these are southern hemisphere. See, the Tropic of Capricorn is 23.5 south. Antarctic Circle is 66.5 south. Next, heat zone of the earth. See, what are the three heat zone of the earth? The first one is torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. These are three heat zone of the earth. See, torrid zone, area between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, receive maximum heat from the sun. This region is called torrid zone. Next one, temperate zone. Temperate zone area between Arctic Circle and Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere and that between Antarctic Circle and the Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. This moderate temperate zone is called temperate zone. Next one, frigid zone. Frigid zone area north to the Arctic Circle and that south Antarctic Circle are very close the poles and receive the sunlight of very low intensive. So it is very cold. This region is called frigid zone. Longitudes. Longitudes line are imaginary lines that run vertically around the globe. See, the longitudes is another name is prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. See, the measurement of east or west of the prime meridian. The prime meridian 0 degree and 180-degree lines they split the earth into western and eastern hemisphere. The place located east of the prime meridian have an east longitudes and those west of the prime meridian have a west longitudes. Now look at the grid of parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude on the globe. You can locate any point of the globe very easily. If you know latitudes and longitudes, so locate the point of mention the degrees. These are called grid. What are the difference between latitudes and longitudes? Latitudes. The latitudes circle parallels of east to west. Next, the number from 0 degree of equator to 90 degree north or 90 degree south at the poles. Next, the equator divides the earth into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Next one, longitudes. The longitude is semicircle running from north pole to south pole. These are number from 0 degree longitudes at Greenwich meridian, 180 degrees at the international date time. Prime meridian divided the earth into eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. Thank you.